Yeah.
Hush. One, two, three. Are you good?
Yeah. When I see my soldiers and the Lithuanian soldiers and troopers from all the countries interacting with each other, it really makes me hopeful and it makes me confident in the fact that we can seamlessly integrate with each other and that the barrier is not there. We kind of say that especially when you get into a new country, you kind of do this thing where you just based on you think that there's a language barrier that may or may not be there, and so you just kind of use kind of wave top conversations in order to kind of get through the day. But it's good when we can actually see each other, and understand where people are coming from. We have a guy from California talking, about a guy or talking to a guy that's from right down the road in Klaipėda, and what they learn is that there are more things that tie us together than drive us apart.